1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y, O, Y. Yo, we left. We can do it. 3, 2, 1. 5 in the center. 4, 3, 2, 1. I didn't write it down. I'll write it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 in the center. Separation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 in the center. Separation. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 in the center. Separation. So we end up with Roman numeral V, 1, 1. We end up Roman numeral V, 1, 1. But by the time we get here, you see the way we connect these? Right? 5, 10, 5, and 5, 10, 5, and 5, 10. The reality is it's only 15. We link 5, 4, 5, 13, and 7, 20, 20. But the actuality of this is 7 and 7 is 14, and 13 is 27. So we create this scenario over here. O, O, O. 3 centers. 3 centers. This center, 3 times 2, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6, 11. This center over here is 1 times 5, 1 plus 5, 5 and 6, 11. 1 times 5, 1 plus 5, 5 and 6, 11, 11. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3, 11. 4 times 5, 4 plus 5 equals 29, 29, 58 equals to 13 equals to 4. It becomes 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. Let me see, what was this one? 11, 11. This one is 11, 11 again. 11, 11, 11, 11, 58. 5 and 1, 13 is 4. This is the way this sets up. Now we're going to ask you, where does this come? Well, here's the design. Here's the design. Count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 boxes, 9 boxes, 9 boxes. I separated by 1, 1, 1. Every single line gets a circle. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. 5. When you create these 2 circles here, it's a square. It's a circle over each line, creating a square. 1 and 4 on the outside, 2 and 3 on the inside. 5 in the center, 1 and 4 on the outside, 2 and 3 on the inside. 5 in the center. So this is how we would link this, and it would be multiple levels. I think we're going to leave the video at a base of this. I have a terrible, terrible, terrible headache. Another thing I wanted to mention is this. Do you see this inside? Right? This part over here. In order to have these two here, these two run. Okay, if you had your ears in your head, the electric would be passing over here, right? But these two would always come and work in here. You see, this is the part of the Star of Magen David, the way the star goes. It's this way, the star. Okay, but it's above and below. This is only one side of the star. Do you see the star? We're going to have to do the rest of the design. Okay, you see the rest of the design coming in? See the rest of the design coming in? This is the star. Let me take this. And then we have the Star of David right over here. So we're going to do the whole star. We're going to show you the star one more time. Let's see if we got this done right. Right? See the way the star starts to build? You see the ace inside the star? Now we get the wings on top of the star. Remember, we need the hourglass, right? The separation of the hourglass. I'm going to show you this in a minute. Okay, separation of the hourglass. And by showing this here, you see the way the brick is on an angle? This is on an angle. It shows that it's on an angle. It's on an angle. Here's the other part of the star. And now you have your basic Star of David over here. There was one more piece I wanted to add into there, which was just about the same thing over here. This piece over here. I think there's one other piece. I'm not quite sure where it is inside everything that I've been building. But we're going to go back to the original piece that I did. If you notice, all these separations is 5, 10, 15. We automatically need 15 to get 1 in the center. So in order to get 1 in the center, counting from here all the way to here, this would be the first 5. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So either we count the first one or we count the last one. Skip the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then we go again from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go 5, 10, 15. But we have to count 4 and 1. These 2 and 3 come together. 1 and 4 comes together 5. 2 and 3 comes together 5. Is there anything else in here I wanted to mention? This design over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The only way to complete this design is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We use 9 corners and 9 corners. We end up with 4 open and 4 open. These are obligations. 9 times 4, 49. creation of the AC/DC, creation of 6, 27, this will create. This will create 27 when I am done, then it'll create 23, then it'll create 11. This one will go all the way up to 19 and then repeat itself. This one will go as low as 3. This one will go up as 19, create 22 for life, 22 for life. When we come 9 and 9, 81 creation of Venus and the split hair, angel resident. This becomes Mercury and Neptune, creating the R worlds. Creating the day, one way, creating the day, pH and I. pH, 4 times 4, 4 plus 4, and 8 and 1, 9. 8 and 9, the heavens of I, inside just the understanding of this design. When we finish these two parts of the design, okay, I'm going to see if I can get this all done with a good color. Now we can see all the boxes and what it actually transpires over here. You see how much area space is used? And then with this one over here, all we have is so this is just a basic design. I'm not really doing much. I'm just opening up eyes. I'm opening up eyes. The separation is 414. Saying this 414, it says the IT system in the sun. It also says half. What are these numbers? Over here, it's the plus minus area where I used 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 and 9 is 18. 4 and 4 is 8. Creates Earth matrix. But when you add it to the singular level, okay, 8 and 3 is 14, and 8 is 22. 1, 1, 1 is 3. 3 and 22 is 25, 52 Earth. Where is the 63? Here. Add 60 becomes 85. There's another mark over here. Where's that mark? It's down here. When we get 20 and 9, right, this 20 becomes 8, and this one becomes 8. 20, 0 gets 6. 6 and 2 is 8. This one gets 6. This gets 8 and 6. This becomes 6 and 9, 15. And this becomes 8 and 15. 5 times 3, 5 plus 3. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 plus 6 is 11. 0 says go down, go up 6. So we go down from 41, 6, and up to 47. 47 high and low equals to 82. That's the number, the cycle of the moon. It's the transition. It becomes 8 and 6. 8 and 6 is inside 9 and 5. 69, 69, 79, 89, and 695. I can't go minus over here. I can only go plus. Here I can go minus down to 14. Here I go to 14, and 9 is 23 creation. So I'm just going to let it go now because I seem like I'm walking on top of myself. Thank you for watching.